In today's video, I am going to teach you how to understand aspect ratios on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the page you want to work on. Once you are on that page, click Edit. This will let you make changes directly to the content and layout, including the way your images are displayed. Next, find the image block that you want to adjust. When you select that image block, you will see editing controls appear. Click the pencil icon to open the image settings. This is where you can manage how the image looks within that specific block. After the settings window opens, click on the Design tab. The Design tab contains the visual display options for the image block, including the shape and proportions used to present your image. This is the section you will use to control aspect ratio settings. From there, look for the aspect ratio drop-down menu and click it. This menu gives you different ratio options for how the image frame will be displayed on your page. Aspect ratio refers to the relationship between the width and height of the image area. For example, some ratios appear more square, while others appear wider or taller. Understanding this helps you choose a format that fits the style of your page and keeps your design consistent. In the drop-down menu, select the fixed ratio you prefer, instead of leaving it set to freeform. Freeform allows the image block to vary more freely, but choosing a fixed ratio gives you more control over the final appearance. This is especially useful if you want multiple images on your page to look uniform and aligned. As you make this change, keep in mind that the image may appear cropped differently depending on the ratio you choose. If that happens, you may want to review how the image is framed inside the block, so the most important part of the image stays visible. A fixed ratio can make your page look cleaner and more professional, especially when you are working with galleries, featured images, or repeated content sections. Once you have chosen the aspect ratio that works best for your design, you are all set. That covers everything you need to know.